Hey there, hey there, hey there. How you doing? It's Mr. TW. Let me show you something. Check this out. You ready? Boom. Can you see that? I'm using a GoToWebinar as like a screen capture program to shoot this video for you. Now, coming up, as you know, on Friday, we're into session 6 now on the Platinum Fast Implementation Sessions. So how you doing? How you doing implementing the system? #1 real estate business system on the planet, #1 real estate business growth coaching on the planet here in Platinum. So how you doing with it? Scale of 1 to 5, 1 being like not good at all, to 5 being like Superman, like from the planet Krypton, Superwoman. Okay, well, that's what these implementation sessions are really for. It's to help you gain clarity on what I consider to be the top 7 systems that every Platinum member with the Craig Proctor system should be all on, like white on rice, man. Okay, so coming up on Friday, session 6, your web marketing blitz. All right, and you're probably like, what's a web marketing blitz? Boom, there's one right there. Okay, you like that? We dedicate conferences to this thing. All right, but on session 6, I'm going to show you how to make over $1 million a year with your online system in 1 hour. I'm going to walk you through this hub, and we're going to cherry pick the things that are the best. I mean, like the things that you should be laser focused on right now. And I got to tell you, there's no way you're going to be able to pull all this off in like fast implementation. And the reason is clarity. But 1 or 2 of these things you can do right now. You just need to know which one makes sense for you. So I'm going to help you make sense of the entire online marketing systems that are available to you right here at your fingertips inside the Craig Proctor system. Okay, so that's session 6 of the Platinum Fast Implementation Sessions. Okay, and we're going to tackle that on Friday. You should have the link, you should have the contact information, you should know exactly what I'm talking about right now. If you don't, reach out to my office or Andrea so we can get you straight with that, okay? And you have the contact information here on however this video is getting delivered to you with those phone numbers and stuff, all right? Okay, look forward to sharing with you on session 6 for Platinum members, Fast Implementation Session 6, your web marketing blitz. How to make over $1 million. $1 million a year. I did it. You can do it too, for sure. Okay, a lot more than that. But we got a cherry pick here. Which ones make sense? I'm going to help you make sense of it. Good. Hey, thanks so much. Look forward to working with you. Remember, work on your business. Schedule the time in to work on your business every day, and this will be a good use of your time when we get together and do this. And I believe it's on Friday. You have the information. Okay. All right. So let's get to work on it. Thanks so much. Love you. Hope you're doing great. Hope your business is on fire. And hold on, check this out. Go serve big. Thanks. See you.